in terms of the needs that are being addressed by foundations and organizations, what has been the primary change when it comes to these needs that are being addressed?
Right. The pandemic highlighted actually all the societal issues that our country is facing. And much of this have been continuously happening, but become even more apparent now due to the advanced communications and technology. But there are three components that we have seen during the pandemic. Health, of course, the physical, the mental health, the environmental health. Also in terms of economic, the food, address the poverty and hunger and even the unemployment, and social. Some domestic abuses, of course, education with different learning modalities. So we have seen all these societal issues being highlighted during this pandemic.
But what do you think were the weaknesses when it comes to CSR activities? What were the weaknesses that were exposed because of the pandemic, and how should organizations work around those loopholes?
I'd like to see the individual mindset be one of the weaknesses, even pre-pandemic. But this situation also highlighted the collective action of the private sector, which complements the efforts of our government to mitigate the impact of the pandemic. Because corporations now practicing CSR have subscribed already to the sustainability and people-centered approach on its programs. Like the NGOs and the other CSOs, CSR practitioners now implement community initiatives for people at the core of the development process, applying the principles of participatory, inclusive, sustainable, and innovative in order to reach the full impact of the projects. This is why we don't just call CSR as corporate social responsibility anymore, but CSR also stands for collective social responsibility.